Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will learn about the different methods of separations. Different methods of separations which we have to study are hand picking, threshing, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and evaporation.
Let's come to our first method of separation, hand picking. When pulses rice have impurities such as stones, dirt, insects, other grains, we usually remove these stones, dirt, insects, other grains with our hand. This process is known as hand picking. So what is hand picking? Hand picking is a separation method used to remove the unwanted or harmful substance from a mixture by using our hand.
Now we will study second method of separation, that is threshing. So as in previous class we have studied about the wheat plant. After harvesting, grain is separated from stalk of the plant. Now here is a question arises, how these grains are separated from stalk of wheat plant. So this method of separation is separating grains from stalk of the plant is known as the threshing. You must have seen bundles of wheat or paddy stalks lying in fields after harvesting the crop. Stalks are dried in the sun for few days, and after that there are two methods of separation which are followed. In a smaller scale, these grains are separated from a stalk by manually beating this.
See, these farmers are manually beating these stalks on hard slabs. Sometimes threshing is done with the help of bullocks. Large scale, there are tons of grains and large quantity of grains are present. For separating these grains from the stalks, various machines are used, like thresher are used, and thresher are machine which is used for separating grains from the stalk. So the process that is used to separate grains from stalk is known as threshing. Let's move forward. We have our third method of separation, that is winnowing. Let's take a closer look. This is a wheat plant and this are a spike of wheat plant. So in threshing we have separated these grains from stalks. But can you see that these grains are covered with some brown covering? This brown covering is called husk, and we do not eat this husk. We actually eat the grains inside that husk. So by the process of winnowing, we separating the grains from the husk. The grains we eat and husk we are using as a fodder. Here is definition for winnowing. Winnowing is a method of separation used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. It is usually used by farmers to separate husk from grains. Let's come and see the difference between threshing and winnowing. These both are the methods of separation. Threshing, the process that is used to separate grains from stalk, is known as threshing. And winnowing, the process which is used to separate grain from husk, is known as the winnowing. This method is commonly used to separate lighter husk particles from heavier grains or particles. Other methods of separations we will learn in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.